Hello children, good morning. Today maths class children. So you know what is meant by HCF? No, this is also first topic for you. LCM, like LCM only. HCF is called as highest common factor. So it is the greatest factor that two numbers have in common with each other. So this is about HCF. HCF also can be found like LCM only in different ways of finding factors. First method is factor method, second method factor tree method, third one division method, fourth one long division method, fifth one prime factorization method. So in LCM means least common multiple, whereas here HCF means highest common factor, or you can call it as a GCD, greatest common divisor. HCF has other name called greatest common divisor. Let us see first method, factor method. So we need to find the factors for uh, 20 and 24. So see here children, what are the factors for 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. For 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So you know how to write the factors I have done. Among these, what are the common factors for both of these two numbers 1, 2, 4? So here 1, 2, 4 are common factors. But among these three, which one is the greatest common factor? 4 is the greatest of 3. So HCF, highest common factor for 20 and 24 is 4. This is the factor method how to do. Next, coming to the factor tree method. Same for those two numbers, we need to draw the factor trees. So 20 can be written as 2 into 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Again, for both of them, one is a common factor, stop here. Next, 24 can be written as 2 into 12. Okay, 12, 2 into 6. Again, 6, 2 into 3. Write the prime factors. So, what are the common factors here? For both of them, here 2, here 2. So, 2 2s are 4. We need to take only common factors, not like LCM. LCM means we have to take all the remaining which are not common factors also. But here we need to take only common factors for both of them. That is the difference between LCM and HCF. In LCM we will include uncommon factors also, but here we should not include. We should see what are the common factors for both of them. That only we need to list out here. Okay, so hence HCF of 20 and 24 is 4. So this is the second method, factor tree method. Next, coming to the method 3, division method. Are you seeing division method here? Same like LCM only, but we need to take only common factors. Understood? So for 20, we are seeing 2 tens are, again 2 fives are, 5 ones. Okay. For 24, 2 12s, 3 4 the 12, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones. So write the factors using for division method. Here for 22 into 2 into 5, 24 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, list out the common factors for both of them. So here both the common is 2. Here also common is 2. We need to set these two as only 2. Understood? We need to group these 2 as single 2. So take the common factors and multiply them together. Among these both factors we consider as a 2. Set of 2 can be considered as a 2. Here set of 2 can be considered as a 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So HCF of 20 and 24 is 4. In this way, we need to do the division method. Next method for long division method. See the steps, what they followed. So first here, what is there 20, 24. First, we need to check step 1. Divide a greater number by the smaller number and find the remainder. So here among 20, 24, which one is the greater number 24? We need to divide 24 with 20 because 20 is a smaller number. So let us start dividing. So divide a smaller number, or step 2, divide a smaller number or divisor by the remainder. So first we will start with divide the greater number by a smaller number and find the remainder. So 20 ones are 20. Why means 20 to the 40? It will not be subtracted from 24. So 20 ones are 20. We got the remainder as what, Nana? 4. Okay, remainder as a 4. Now you take this 4 as a divisor. You need to take this remainder as a divisor, and we need to take this divisor as a dividend now. Are you observing? So don't get confused. First we have to divide the greater number by smaller number, and we got the remainder. Now divide this smaller number with the remainder what we got, and this remainder we need to accept as a divisor. So 4 5s are 20. We got the remainder 0. Now we got the remainder 0. So continue it till you reach the smaller divisor. It is the HCF now. For 2024 is 4 is the HCF because both numbers are divisible by 4. This is the long division method. Understood? If you get three numbers also, we need to follow this method only. It is easy. As we get practice of doing the problems, we will get easy. First, we need to divide a greater number by a smaller number. And what is the remainder that you need to act as a divisor for this smaller number? For this a smaller number. And go on doing until we get the remainder 0. Okay, children. So this is about long division method. Method 5, using the rule of divisibility. So prime factorization method. So take these two numbers at a time, same like LCM only. So divide the two numbers by a common factor, which should be the prime number, any prime number. So here we have taken 2 as a prime number, and we divide at a time both the numbers. You got 2 tens are 2 12s are. Okay, again these both are divisible by 2, you can start with 2. 2 5s are 2 6. Now 5 6 are not divisible by a number because they don't have a common factors. They have only common factor 1. You can stop here. So and multiply the divisors. We got common how much, Nana? Here 2. So for these two numbers they are divisible by 2. For these two numbers also 2. So 2 into 2 how much, Nana? 4. Like that we need to solve using prime factorization method. Understood, children? Let us start the find the HCF of the following using prime factorization method. See here, Nana. So first problem is 2476. 2476. So you can do the prime factorization method. So you can take both are divisible by 2. Okay. So 2 12s are 2 38s. So again these two also both are divisible with 2. 2 6 2 19s. But 6 19 has no common factors other than 1. So you can stop here. Find what is the HCF, Nana? So both have 2 as a common factor. This pair of numbers, this pair of numbers. So you can write it as 2 into 2 4. 4 is the common factor for highest common factor for 24 76. Next 45 75. You are by seeing these numbers you will say easily that both numbers are divisible by 5. Let us start with prime number 5. 5 nines are 45, 5 15 is 75. Again these two numbers you can be divisible by prime number 3. So 3 3s are 3 5s. But both 3 and 5 are not divisible by any number. Both have common factor as 1. Stop here and write 5 into 5, 3 into 3, or 5 into 3 into 3 into 5 you can write. But you need to round off set of two numbers. So here 5 into 5. This set of 5 can be taken as single 5. This set of 3 can be taken as single 3. So now 5 into 3 how much, Nana? 15. So this is the highest common factor for both these two numbers. Understood? So highest common factor for 45 75 is 15. Now take it as a C homework, and tomorrow we will see how to find the HCF of three numbers using prime factorization method. Thank you.